That's how we're from.
The gals wind up on the dance floor.
Hey motherland channel, namaste, hi and welcome back to another vlog. So I hope you guys are doing well, and you might be thinking why I'm dressed like this, because this video is special because a lot of my friends and colleagues are there in this video. And trust me guys, when I was making all the videos, editing and all, I was having a lot of fun, and you're gonna witness something special in this today's vlog. So guys, as I told you on Wednesday that send me your videos wherein you have to tell me what you're doing and where are you from. So many of my friends have sent me, and same thing I'll be putting today. So let's start the vlog.
This lockdown, I'm spending my day just by working or just chatting with my friends. There is no other way to spend my day.
I learned from this quarantine is taking care of your health and giving time to your family. One more important thing I learned from Abhi Vlogs is whatever you have, make use of it instead of regretting for the things which you don't have. Very important message I just wanted to give, that as you all know that how much we have damaged the environment after this quarantine. Also, I want that every one of us, whatever possible we can contribute for the betterment of the environment and stay safe after this quarantine, and enjoy the time which has been given with your family and friends. And just want to end the vlog by saying that wherever you are, just be happy.
As you know, everyone, like I'm also working work from home. Apart from that, whenever I get time, I spend my time with my son. He is 4 years old. I never got the chance before, like to play with him or something due to daily routine works, but this is the best time where I can spend entire time to him, like playing with him, and also encouraging him in other activities and stuffs. And apart from that, I help my wife and cleaning house, and also help my parents to get some stuffs outside of like vegetables or medicines, whatever it may be. I'm not letting them to go out, and we want to take care of them. And I request everyone to be safe, and even you people, please don't go out unnecessarily, where if you are needed, then only you people go out. I request everyone, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
My name is Pratik, and Abhit has asked me a good question: how is life in quarantine? Which is interesting because it's a cliche actually, that I am sleeping, eating and repeating the exact same thing over and over, and I'm really getting good at it. And sadly, this video was meant to be motivational and inspirational for those who are indoors, so I guess that just flew out of the window. But there's one thing that has been constant throughout, is that I love running, and sadly I'm not going out. I can go out, but I'm not. So what I'm doing is, we have a terrace here and I'm doing whatever is necessary. I'm sweating it all out because I eat a lot. But apart from that, I would say that I'm also learning few things which I always wanted to learn through some online platforms. They are offering some good deals, giving discounts, and I'm learning few things that I always wanted to learn. And these are some tough times, I would say. And as someone has rightly said, when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. Well, that's motivation, by the way. I would tell all those people out there that stay home, stay safe. And Abhi, I'm really looking forward for your vlog. So you're doing a good job by spreading this awareness and trying to motivate others. So yeah.
Hello guys, my name is Raj and I am Abid's younger brother. So let's get straight into this video. So let me tell you what am I doing in this quarantine days. So guys, my quarantine is not at all boring. I am enjoying my quarantine days. So first of all, I woke up at around 8 a.m. and I do meditations for around 20 minutes or so. So yeah guys, I do meditation. It is very beneficial for your health. So yeah, after my lunch I play some PUBG at afternoon, and then I watch some YouTube videos, and then around 8 o'clock I do workout. Yeah guys, I do workout for around 1.5 hour, and that's it. And after my dinner I watch movies and web series. So yeah guys, that was my quarantine routine. So yeah, let's see what my mom wants to say. Mame!
Dada, Toja,
So what are you doing in your quarantine days?
this is my quarantine day.
So guys, देखा आपने, इसे कहते हैं quarantine and chill.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
Hello guys, good morning. This is Jatish. Yeah, how do I spend my days in quarantine which is going on? Nothing such special. It's like I'm concentrating on my workout, fitness zone, which is more important, as you know guys. Yeah, I'll just show you the things which I use while doing the exercise, which already I had. Just a second. Yeah, these are the things which I use while doing the exercise, which I've taken an oath that I'll just remove my family pack to six pack, which will be more achievement for me. Yeah, one more thing I've noticed guys, like lots of people are doing some experiments with their food stuff, like guys I'm talking about. So after this lockdown gets over, I'll get lots of master chef from each and every house, I think. So guys, just take care, be careful, stay home, stay safe, as Modi ji has put in a lock to our country, so it is better to be at home instead of searching the key, right? So take care guys, bye, Jai Hind.
Hello. Hello. We're spending quarantine reading books and being together at our home.
That's where we're from.
So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this vlog. Even I was seriously literally enjoying, and I would like to thank each and everyone who had made an effort to shoot yourself and send me the video, and appreciate it, because I was not expecting these many numbers, but yeah, most of my friends, my colleague, they supported me and they sent the video, and it turned up to a good video. And I hope you like this video. If you do so, do like, share and subscribe, and keep supporting me, and I'll be working towards getting good videos, good content, and always making you smile, and saying that, and always making you getting positive energy in your life, because in my videos you will not see anything negative and all, and that is what I follow in my life, always positive, and I always make sure that I keep that negative thing aside, never go that side only. And so this time we'll do ending in some different way. I would like to sing few words of a song. It's like, give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give us another chance, we're gonna grow up once again. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na. Give me some sunshine, give me me some rain. Give us another chance, we're gonna grow up once again. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na. The song is dedicated to God to make us free from Corona. Bye bye, guys.